this video, we will talk about quota. And in OpenShift, we have limit range. So what's the difference between quota and limit range? Quota we apply at namespace level. However, limit range we apply at project level. But both are limiting the resources. Both are applying for how much resources we should consume inside the namespace or inside the project. So let's talk about quota. And there is some theory part here. You must go through this if you are not aware about the quota. So in this question, you need to create a quota with the following information for project beta. It means that first we need to create a beta project if it is not there. Okay. And the quota name should be EX280 quota. Whatever the name it is given, just use copy and paste over there. And as per this quota, we should maximum 7 pod running and service IP should be 6 and replication controller would be 5 and memory 1 gig and CPU core is 1. This is what we need to do. We can follow the lab here. I have already pasted all the questions here, but yes, let me execute all these commands one by one for you. As per the question, we need to create the beta project. Let's check if this project is available or not. There is no project with this beta, so let me create a new project. Once we create the project, we automatically go inside this project, right? So we can use OC get quota, no resource available. And now we need to execute the command to create the quota. Let me give you one trick here how you can proceed. OC create quota and our favorite command is help and press head. Now you can see that this is the command. This is what we need to execute. Okay. So let me copy till here. Control Shift C and Control Shift V and proceed with our question. As per our question, we need to give this name EX280 quota. Maximum ports should be 7, 6 and 5. Control A will, with the help of Control A key, you will be at the beginning of the command prompt. EX280 quota. Now hard is CPU, it says 1, memory is 1 gig, that's great. And the port it is requested 7, service should be 6 and replication controller is 5. That's it, and remove all the other things which is not given. Let's check again. Memory 1 gig, CPU 1 gig, 7, 6, 5. 1 gig is here, 1 CPU is here, port 7, 6 and 5. That's it. Hit enter. Now our quota is created. Let me execute the command here. Let's check the quota again that we use here, OC get quota. Now we can see this is the quota here. Also we can use describe command here instead of get. That's it. That's it for this question. Thank you very much. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to watch other videos.